Police have apprehended 4 people, including a juvenile, in a gang rape case in Shillong last year. The incident was revealed recently after a video went viral. East Khas Hills SP Rituraj Ravi said that they have enough evidence and even videos, and they are confident that the case will be sheeted soon. 3 persons were arrested in connection with the gang rape of a 26-year-old vlogger in Shillong. A purported video of the crime went viral on WhatsApp, following which she filed a police complaint on April 20th.
4 people involved, 3 adults, they have been apprehended and they are in custody. The 4th one is a juvenile. No, we have sufficient evidence, and there are also video footages and all. So we are confident that we will be able to charge sheet the case within the time frame, stipulated time frame.